Hello friends, this is Soni Shetty here. I welcome you to my garden. Today we are going to talk about spider plant. This is the most adaptable house plant as well as in garden you can keep. You can see this. This is at my entrance. Spider plant is also known as for purifying the air around us. So many people keep it in their house, in their bedroom or anywhere in the house. The most common name of this spider plant is spider ivy, ribbon plant, airplane plant, and of course it has some scientific name as well which we really don't need to know about it. Trust me, this can be a great addition to your house. This is one here which is hanging. It has indirect sunlight, but yeah, of course it is in very bright area. This has direct sunlight. This is edge of my house border. Now the very important thing I'm going to discuss, that is the 4 important things you have to remember if you want to take care of the spider plants. Very first is watering, second soil, fertilizer, and then comes the light. Let's see, when I talk about soil, the soil should be such that the water should drain out immediately. And it should remain some moist also, but it should come out from down so that root has enough ventilation. This is one plant which I kept outside in this pot, black pot. But whenever I pour water, it doesn't come out immediately, but it is doing well. Spider plant grow in well drained soil. You can use general purpose potting soil. You can use also coco peat. Now let's talk about light. It grows best in direct sunlight, but if it is in direct sunlight, you have to look after these plantlet. If it is raining, it is looked after, otherwise you need to spray it. If it is in indirect sunlight, it has to be in a bright area. Very important thing, you have to remove all these dried leaves which are dead and simply occupying the space in the pot. It gives little space for the new plantlet to grow. Now let's talk about fertilizer. I put only once in a 2 week. You have to be very careful. You have to be really moderate while putting fertilizer. Now let's see the different types of spider plants. The scientific name of this plant is Chlorophytum comosum. If you want in detail, I can share you the link. This is the plant which has green at the center and white at the edge. It has an umbilical cord kind of thing, and then you'll see the baby plant and flowers going through it. See, this is the baby plant. It has dark green at the center and white at the edge. It looks very beautiful. And now this is very beautiful. It is also white at the edge, but the white is really supreme white. See the center, how it grows. It is like a satin ribbon. And this is very narrow. It is like spiky plant. Not spiky, hard spike, but it is like narrow leaves in short. Narrow leaves, it has white at the edge and green at the center again. See the growth. Now this is very beautiful plant. This is like white at the center and green at the edge. It's not white, it is beautiful fluorescent color. Now I will show you where all I have kept all these beautiful spider plants. Let's go to our entrance. Oh, it's me. So this is my compound wall. On top I kept some space for my plants. I've kept medium sized black pots. I will show you now. This size. This is some space in between pillar and my window. So I kept one hanging pot there. Hanging is the best place for spider plant. Now let's go to our backyard. These are in my backyard. And these tiny little pots also I kept hanging on my wall. It's white wall just above the sofa. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.